Hello, today we will guide you through how to invoice in QuickBooks. To get started, open QuickBooks and make sure you are on the home page. This is a good starting point because it gives you access to the main navigation tools you'll use to create new transactions, including invoices. Once you're there, move your mouse to the top left area of the screen and hover over the Create button. This menu is designed to help you quickly start different types of records, so hovering here will reveal the available options. From that Create menu, click on Invoice. This will open the invoice entry screen, where you can begin filling out the details for the customer and the sale. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all fields are visible and ready to edit. Next, click on the Customer drop-down menu and select the sample customer shown in your system. Choosing the customer first is important because QuickBooks can automatically fill in related details based on that customer's profile, which helps make the rest of the form easier to complete. After selecting the customer, choose the sample terms. Terms usually define when payment is due, so this field helps set expectations for the customer and keeps your invoice organized. Make sure the correct option is selected before moving on. Then, select the sample invoice date. The invoice date is important because it marks when the transaction is created and can also affect payment timing, reporting, and bookkeeping accuracy. If needed, use the date picker to choose the correct date carefully. Once that's done, go to the product or service field and enter the sample product or service. This is where you describe what is being billed. Depending on your QuickBooks setup, selecting an item here may automatically populate related information, such as the rate, description, or amount. Review what appears on screen to confirm it looks correct. When all the required invoice details have been entered, click Review and Send. This gives you a chance to check the invoice before it goes out, which is a useful final step to catch anything that may need adjustment. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the sending process in QuickBooks. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly review the customer, terms, date, and product or service one last time for accuracy. Once everything looks good, you can continue confidently and send the invoice. That's how to invoice in QuickBooks.